name is Chris Hayden. I am the Research and Development Manager for Eemax, a division of Ream. We're very excited to be here today. We are at the first installation of a net zero school. This school is a perfect example of what could be taught to our children as far as learning how to be sustainable and using technology to its fullest.
So with net zero emissions, the main goal is really to reduce your energy use as much as possible. And one big component to that is reducing the amount of energy we're using to heat water.
If you're taking water from a source that's far away and you're bringing it all the way to where you're going to use it, you have to get up to a certain temperature and then you're going to lose that energy. You want to be able to use the energy directly where you're at. The tankless water heater allows that, and you can save not just the water in terms of that resource, but also the energy that it takes to heat it up. It's used right there at the point where you need it.
In this community of Cambridge, it was a mandate that actually came from the people. They wanted there's new buildings in this city to be net zero emissions, but even across the state, state-funded school buildings, it's a requirement to be a green building to get certification for your building. So I think in Massachusetts, we really have a plan of how to be, net zero emissions as a state, and the individual communities are really taking that up and carrying it on.
This school is excellent because it proves that you can actually do this. In New England, Boston, Cambridge, look around here, there's all 100-year-old structures that have been here forever, and right in the middle of it is a high-tech, energy-efficient, sustainable school.
I want my son to be able to come to a place like this that's a healthy learning environment, and that when your environment is this healthy, you really focus on the learning, and that's what's happening, and that's what should be happening in a school.